Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll guide you that how you can make a fake video call with your friends and family members and make a fun with each others. To do this, first of all, you open your Play Store, click on search bar. You have to search an app that is Expression. Install this application. After installing this, go back, open the app I have already installed. Click on this. Click on create now. Choose any picture you want to create with fake call. Click on continue. Here you click on icon.